Hi, my name's Chris. I work for IDEM Safety switches. Today I want to give you a quick introduction for our latest products, the MLZ and MPZ. Both products are OSSD outputs, which means you can connect them in series together and achieve Category 4 SIL-free performance level E. The MLZ is a locking switch. It's available in 316 stainless steel and it has a 5,000 newtons holding force. It has RFID activation on 3 heads, LED display on the body. The MPZ is a non-contact switch. It's available in plastic or 316 stainless steel. It's got highly visible LEDs, it's RFID activated, and the great thing about this product, it has symmetrical mounting, so depending on your cable entries left or right, it's just one switch that fits both. We have a nice accessory here, which is our connection block. What that means is you can plug your devices directly into it. It internally puts them in series, gives you 2 sets of safety outputs and 8 auxiliaries, which means you can indicate each gate individually.